everyone, today we're going to make a fox. So let's start. Take a white sheet and fold it into half. Now fold both the sides to the corner. Now flip it over. Now fold it into half. Now it looks like this. Now fold the front part like this. And then fold the middle part downwards for making the face. And now fold this part like this for making the tail. Yay! We made a fox. Now let's make its eyes and other things. Now let's make its eyes. Now the nose. Let's make the ears. Now let's color it. I'm taking an orange color. You can use any other color also. Now I'm taking a yellow and filling it with all over the body. Now let's mix it. So it looks more beautiful and smooth. Now let's color the empty part again and mix it. Now let's mix this well. And the tail also. Now let's fill the tail with color and mix it well. Now let's color the ears with a shade of pink. Now let's use the yellow and on the face too. Now let's fill it with pencil colors. Done! We made it! For more creative ideas, stay tuned and subscribe to my channel.